Hey guys, this is Josh Lineberry. There's a lot of videos out there on how to make peanut butter and jelly. I'm going to make peanut butter and jelly with a secret ingredient. So I'll do a step-by-step instruction. Ingredients are very important. Alright, let me show you. Alright, as you can see here, I got some Bramley's Concord grape jelly and some natural Jif peanut butter. And let me tell you what, the peanut butter is awesome. If you've never had it, I recommend it. So let's start with the peanut butter. Oh, you're gonna need 2 pieces of white bread. I'm a white bread kind of guy, so that's what I got. So let's see. Scoop some of this peanut butter out of here. Spreading the peanut butter is very important. You want to get a nice, thick, even layer. Spread it around. Alright. That looks pretty good to me. Nice, even layer of peanut butter there. Let's get our grape jelly. Now, you can use strawberry jelly too. That's okay. Strawberry, raspberry. Whatever kind of jelly you want. Oh, and put the jelly in the peanut butter. Yeah. Here. I'll tell you what. Let's get a spoon for the jelly. Let me get a spoon for the jelly. Alright. Again, nice even layer of jelly there. Spread that out real good. Alright. Now, that looks pretty good to me. Some kids are kind of picky. You make them a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, they're like, I want my peanut butter on top. Well, that's easy. Put the peanut butter on top. Okay, now it's time for the secret ingredient. Let's check it out. Secret ingredients this way. Go right out here. Doo-doo-doo. There it is. Secret ingredient. Peanut butter and jelly. Now it's time to add the secret ingredient. Okay. Take this off of here. Alright. There we go. Alright, let's see what this secret ingredient, peanut butter and jelly versus secret ingredient, does. So I don't know about you, but I think that secret ingredient is pretty awesome. That was a baggie, a small quart baggie full of hydrogen from my hydrogen generator. You can go see my video on how to make that if you want. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye.